Today I'm going to inform you on the basics of pitching. My most favorite thing to watch on TV nowadays is Major League Baseball. I love to watch pitchers throw curves and make batters look like fools. Today I will show you the basic pitching mechanics and the 3 basic pitches that all pitchers know. The first pitching mechanic is the windup. The pitcher is facing the batter when he is pitching in the windup. To begin the windup, you step to the side, and if you're left-handed, you will raise your right leg, and if you're right-handed, you will raise your left leg. Whichever one you have raised, you will step towards home with. When you deliver, you always keep your back leg straight for more power. After you have thrown the ball, as soon as your back leg hits, you need to be ready to catch the ball. This pitching delivery is usually used when nobody is on base or the bases are loaded. The next pitching delivery is the stretch. This is used when one or more people are on base. The pitcher's legs will face towards first if they are left-handed and will face towards third if they are right-handed. To begin, the pitcher will raise his front leg, either right or left, and will begin his pitching motion towards home. In the stretch, before you pitch, you always want to check the runners on base, because in the stretch, the pitcher is allowed to step off the mound and throw the person out on base. Next, I will show you the 3 basic pitches in baseball. First is the fastball. There are all kinds of fastballs, but the one I will show you today is a 2-seam fastball. When gripping the 2-seamer, you want to put your index and middle finger on the slimmer side of the baseball. You want to have a tight grip on the ball. Better results are thrown whenever you have a tighter grip. You will have a slight movement up. This pitch is very fast and usually is the easiest to control. Professionals can throw a 2-seamer from 90 to 100 miles per hour. That gives the batter 0.4 seconds to react. As Tom Seaver said, the good rising fastball is the best pitch in baseball. This is the most common pitch used in MLB and in high school. The circle change. This pitch is a very slow pitch. You grab it by making an OK sign on the side of the baseball. You will want to put your 3 fingers over the fat side of the baseball. This pitch usually starts high, and if thrown right, will drop out of the zone. This pitch is usually thrown when pitchers have been throwing fastball after fastball, and then they will throw this circle change, which will catch the batter off guard, thinking that it will be a fastball, but it will come in slow. The average speed of a major league circle changeup is 70 to 85 miles per hour. This gives the batter 0.5 seconds to react. The last pitch I will show you today is the curveball. To throw the curveball, first you have to place your first 2 fingers on the side of the seam opposite. And right before you pitch, you want to twist your wrist to get the spin of the rotation. The more spin you have, the more drop you'll have to the ball. Good curves usually start high and drop out of the zone. The curve is usually thrown when the pitcher is ahead in the count, because the batter is usually going to battle and will usually chase the ball out of the zone. The average speed of a wicked major league curveball is 65 to 80 miles per hour. I hope that my presentation has helped you learn the basics of pitching. Thank you.